Okay, here's our morning review, or today's review of the morning trading. This is the HHI. This is the China H shares traded in Hong Kong. So you can see we opened and didn't take long. We pushed down. There was some news this morning, and we didn't want to trade around that too much. So we sort of waited for a while and let this hockey stick sort of pattern develop, and then. What we wanted to do is catch a short covering once we broke out of here, because my theory is every time we push down and these guys keep covering, it's just getting too short, and then we're going to eventually flush them all out. And you can see we had a lot of short interest built up down here. The first attempt was a failure and it got stopped at virtually full size. We eventually took a pop back up, what I thought was going to be into the VWAP, but we didn't quite get there. Anyway, that sort of got us to lunch, and we got some profit back on that one from the first loss. And then after lunch was a little bit better. We come down, test the value area low from the morning session. As soon as we popped back up, I had a limit order there, and I got stopped into that short, and then got stopped out when some size swept the offers. But then we flipped it and went long, and were able to hold through some of this heat with a stop down here, rough stop down here, and then take some profits up above the VWAP, the afternoon VWAP, and then with our other contracts got stopped out about even, and then we broke down through here, and then when we broke down through the VWAP, I put a limit order there and got stopped into this 97.16, which turned out to be the best trade all week probably, because it just was a perfect VWAP trade, and then we sold off the rest of the afternoon and basically sold off into some of these levels that you can see here on the 60-minute chart. There's some low of the days that we kept stopping on the way down, and I just basically took profits at, like, I don't know, 55 or something there, because where was our profit? Yeah, we took 73. Yeah, probably let it pop up a bit too far there. We probably should have let it come down a bit further, but we were pretty happy with that. So, and we thought we were going to come back up and test this 9,700 level, maybe, where we broke down. So that's why we took our profit there and just get out and call it a day on the Hang Seng. You can't ask for more than that. You can see here we lost pretty much full stop on the about half stop on the half size, full stop on the first position, and then we got a few back, and then we got a pretty good chunk back, and then again we got stopped out full size, and then we managed to get on those two last trades, which really helped us out. So anyway, not a bad morning overall. So anyway, on to the DAX today. Cheers. Okay, today's DAX trades. We opened up basically in the top of the range from yesterday's close. You can see here we had a big trend day yesterday on the back of the news from the Ukraine. So we opened up, did a little bit of a test of the VPOC just before the open in the pre-cash, and then pushed lower and tested this level here. I was thinking we'd go down and test the value area low, but we didn't get that far, so I didn't get on that move there. We come back and tested the VWAP, and I still didn't get on that move there. I wasn't sure what was happening that stage, so I just sat on my hands. And eventually I get into this break higher because the order flow was looking pretty bullish at that stage, and I did get in on this stop run. So I got some nice points there. Eventually got stopped out back here at about roughly break even. So you can see stopped out here, just a little bit better than break even. And then this popped back up, and then I had a limit order sitting there, in a notch on the profile, and I just got short there. I had to take a little bit of heat for it, but we come back and I got 2 off there, another one off there, and then got stopped out here. So overall, a really good day for me. So so that's about it. Just show the P&L for today. We had a total of 60 points today, so on the Dax. So that was probably one of our best days ever on the Dax. So anyway, we'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Cheers.